Hopefully you guys just watched the exciting battle in Burma. If not, it's pretty crazy. So let's go back to UK 8. This is the final round for UK. UK has 2 attacks. 3 attacks. 3 attacks. We'll start with here. These 2 tanks and this mech are going to blitz through Quang Sea and hit French Indochina. They have 6 infantry here. Calcutta going in with 2 artillery and a dude. And then we got a transport here. 1, 2. Pick up these artillery and a dude. All these ships. I'm going to assume he's not going to scramble because that would kind of be a suicide mission there. Because I'm also going to have this tactical come in. Tactical does not need to carry to land. Can land here. So if he did scramble, that would leave me with 4 units. Oops. That would leave me 4, and obviously that's a loss. If he just scrambled 1 or 2, nothing's going to happen. You would need to scramble all 3 to even put a dent in this, and then there would just be 1 guy there. So we're going to assume he is not going to scramble because that is not practical. This fighter, however, is leaving here from the carrier, going 1, 2, 3 into 98, and then 4 land in Syria. So that's it. Put that there. And I have a Japanese marker on there. I'm not sure. But, alright. There we go. So let's start with, I'm going to make you wait for the big one. Let's start with French Indochina. I got 2 at 3. 1. And then 1 at 1. He has 6 at 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I could roll them all at the same time, but that's not as fun. So let's do this. 2 at 3, 1 at 1. And I have 1 hit against his 6 infantry. 6 infantry return fire. And they also have 1, so 1 and 1. Now I have 2 at 2. I'm sorry. I have 2 at 3 for my tanks. And 1 hit. They have 5 infantry returning fire. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. They got me. So he basically just loses 2 chips, which is not a big deal. It's not important. But for the sake of setting up the board, that's what we'll do. So once again, hanging on to South Asia. That was my last attempt to try and take South Asia. There's nothing else that I can do. I'm not sure if there's anything Anzac can do. I'm not seeing a way for Anzac to get through this. So we can, pretty safe to say, let me see these fighters go 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so there's nothing to get, there's no way to clear this. So they are going to keep South Asia points. Moves us into Calcutta. But we're going to do this first. So we're going to have 1 at 3. And in the BBR, the 2 paired transport service combined arms that roll at 1. So I have 1 at 3. And of course I missed. And they have 1 at 1. And they missed. So we do it again. I have 1 at 3. Hit. Now they have 1 at 1. Miss. So now, oops, what happened here? He goes here, he goes there, he goes there. Okay, so now since I had a hit, obviously they would take this as a casualty because Italy's turn. But now it defaults to out-of-box rules where it is auto-killed. And now I land here because they do not defend independently, only as a paired unit. Okay, now the one you've been waiting for. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 2, and 1 at 3. 1 at 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 2. 1 at 3. Oh man, gotta get 4 hits. 4 hits. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. 4 hits. They have 1 at 2, they don't even have enough dice to roll to kill my guys. So we just got India, boys. We just got India. Let's see what how many guys are left standing. And they also got 3 hits. Pretty good roll. So we'll take off 1, 2, and 3. We take India with 2 artillery. And my plane will land here in West India. What this does, we just take this down. Calcutta is no longer activated, bringing the Axis to 11 out of 12 points. So it is up to, well, let me non-combat my guys here. We're going to rail up 1, 2, 3 into the Sudan. Wow, crazy, crazy. So pretty much it is up to Hilltop Pillbox. The only point available that they can get is New Rome. They do not have the ships to get to and take over the Horn. Even if this tank was to kill, you know, they need, for the Horn is Sudan, Ethiopia, British Somaliland, Italian Somaliland, and Kenya. These 5 territories are the Horn of Africa, and there is no way for them to get that point. So the only thing they have to get the New Rome point, which means they have to take Crete, they have to take Greece, they have to take Algeria, and they have to take Morocco. They have to take all 4 of those territories, and if they do, Axis are the winner of Season 2 YouTube Wars. Man, it has been a great game. I've very fortunate to have been able to play with these fine gentlemen, and I look forward to playing with them again sometime soon. Alright guys, well I pass it over to Hilltop Pillbox, buddy. Good luck, man. Good luck. We'll talk to you guys soon, and signing off for Season 2. Bye-bye.